Mugusi.
Emambiengia omurigereri bwensoka no kwegena kwane buna andonsi asore emambia onigere ntwereru kwabukiribya na rit kuri aho nigorigendrete buya moroberi bwetu rubini nigochakire bono gochaka bono iga chinsa inye chabono mambia goika chinsa isano ne mocho mugasoberi tukuri arero karango kumanyenga hitorobini goto gochikosanga naye ngo kumanyia ari agendrete gwatika ase chinsemo ao imeyense imeyemucho Nairobi nabo igo chinsi cheisko karango kumanyenga nigo bono charagire chidageka gose rit kuri arero nigo chabutokire chidageka 13 kare twachakire omoroberi bwetu rubini bene hinyoranga nabo gotonyora ase mitandao yekerero genda sense media Facebook Twitter Instagram nabo igo YouTube nyara ko bagoko like nabo igo kogo to follow chi account yichi chito chonsi nabo igo nyara ko bago share etorobini yarero irinde nyara ko bagego ikira abantu abange etorobini yachakire bano kwira nanda segeke kirebusi. Nikoto chaka kurwa asense moyo omonogeri bwebunge nene imeyense Moses Wetangula nigaruro kuboria gochia sabanyanyimbo bobotuki kwene kyangobe kabare byara aso bwango omontere babwerori oyokoreto mubasokano oyoirerete abantu 15 gosiria obogima bwabo nabande gotegerwa chingoma chimbe asense moya mala epara enene ya webuye ukwana chinga kigete asense meyo amona baraibande kurwa se chense mecho Wetangula nigatebiruna negendo kyogukumya buna kabonoiga omonterebo yo tamanyikaneti asare asebono aruro kuboria gochia ase chindereba chonsi koba maiso chinga kibare ase chipara.
The police and those involved in road safety impose instant fines on the highway when people do the wrong things. We are not indifferent. If you don't deserve to be on the road, you don't deserve to be on the road. If you are on the road and you don't pay attention to the laws of the land, you deserve to be punished and punished instantly. Yes. That your right to be on the road is equal to the right of the others to be on that road. Amen. So tunaomba ndugu zetu, nyinyi wabunge wangu kule bunge muangalie sheria ya kutighten nuts to make our road safe. Tulipoteza watu hapa Mhonje, watu zaidi ya 20. Baadaye tukapoteza watu 14. Tukapoteza Kabrengo hapa watu 16. Leo tumepoteza hapa Malao watu 15. Hatujui kesho tutapotezea wapi. Hapa Kamkuyu kwa daraja tulipoteza watu. Kanda mzima. We must say enough is enough. So that we make our road safe. Kwa hivyo wacha nimalizie kwa kusema tutaungana pamoja. Huyu mbunge wetu Tongoyo ni mbunge kutoka Narok. Pia ametoa mchango wa shilingi 100,000 kusaidia familia. Na baada ya kufanya harambee ya Jumapili, investor na team ambayo itasimamia hii mambo italetea hii familia shilingi 500,000. Na tumeambiwa alipogonga watu alitoroka, hajashikwa. Atashikwa huyo mtu. Tunauliza polisi waendelee kumsaka ili tujue alikuwa na shida gani, shida kama hii isirudie tena.
Hii kuambia familia zote ambazo wamepoteza watu wao pole sana, na wale pia ambao hapo hospitali jameni pole sana, muweze kukua na mpone haraka. Cha pili pia nataka nishukuru viongozi wote wa Bungoma. The unity of purpose ambayo tumeweza kuona in answering to this call is something ambayo is encouraging, ikiongozwa na Mheshimiwa Speaker wetu. Mimi nikiwa hapa, Mheshimiwa Speaker, hiyo hospitali is the second largest public facility katika region yetu. Na hiyo hospitali ndiyo inahudumia zile ajali zote ambazo zinatokea kwa hii barabara yetu, hii highway yetu hii. Hii ajali should call us wote kuja pamoja na tuone ya kwamba tunajenga hapa an ICU, sababu ile ajali ya Mhoje watu waleta hapa, hii ambayo ilikuwa Kabarengo watu wakaleta hapa. In watu wengi sometimes are unable kupata services ama emergency services sababu ya inability facility. So Speaker, Mheshimiwa Governor, kama county itakuwa na upungufu kidogo kwa kupata pesa ya kutosha kujenga ICU, nadhani mimi nakuomba utumie pia uwezo wako tuweza kupata pesa ambayo tutajenga hapa na ICU ambayo itasaidia watu wetu. Cha mwisho pia mimi ni kuomba our security agency, huyo dereva ambaye alisababisha hii maafa.
Kama Mama County ningependa kuchukua fursa hii kutoa rambirambi zangu za kipekee kwa familia ambazo zimepoteza watu wao. Ningependa kushukuru pia madaktari wa hii hospitali ambao wametushughulikia kwa vitengo mbalimbali kwa wagonjwa ambao wamekuwa admitted hapa. Hasa ni washukuru kwa sababu wamekuwa waaminifu na wameshughulikia hasa kina mama ambao walikuwa kwa hiyo ajali. Kuna mama mmoja alikuwa mjamzito, bado tunamshughulikia na tutaona kwamba at least akuwe transported apelekwe kule Eldoret apate specialized treatment, na nafikiria kule atapata gynecologists ambao watamshughulikia pamoja na wagonjwa wengine. Na madereva wetu tuwe waangalifu barabarani. Watu wetu, I think we need a rescue team that will have to teach our people nini kinafanyika wakati tunakuwa na ajali, kwa sababu hatujapata yale mafunzo. Tunapopata na jangwa kama hilo, tunaenda hapo wote bila kujua safety yetu iko namna gani. Sasa ni jukumu yetu kama viongozi tujue jinsi tutafanya ili tupate kupaya elimu watu wetu. Na pia hospitali yetu hasa hii ya Webuye haina CT scan. Hiyo ni jambo ambayo ningependa kuomba gavana wetu pamoja na serikali kuwashughulikie. Tukuwe na vitengo vya CT scan katika hospitali kama hii hata ya Bungoma. Tusije tukipatikana na janga kama hili tunakimbia kule Eldoret na kule nje. Asante sana, na familia wote ambao wamepoteza watu wao ningependa kuambia pole sana.
The families that lost their loved ones. But we should also remember that this is not the first time that we are losing such many souls in an accident. Webuye Hospital, where we are today, is at the center of 3 well-known hotspots. We have one here at Kabarengo, where every year that road claims the lives of very many Kenyans. We have another one in Pilipili on the bridge of Kamkwiwa, and this one. So I hope that this accident that has led to the loss of lives of 15 people is going to be a wake-up call that those who are in charge of designing our roads must be able to tell us, is it the road design that is bad? And we must be told what action they are going to take place to ensure that we avert such accidents in the future. And lastly, and most importantly, every accident like this one gives us an opportunity to reflect and draw lessons. We have all seen that this Webuye Hospital is very important, not just to the people of Bungoma alone, because of its strategic location along the highway, and we must ensure that this hospital has a CT scan and has got MRI services. As you are all aware, the doctors cannot begin treatment until they understand fully the extent and to which the injury before they begin treatment. So we are happy that the governor has informed us that in our own county, the CT scan machine and MRI machines are arriving in the next 2 weeks. That is going to save many lives. Thank you.
County ningependa kuchukua fursa hii kutoa rambirambi zangu za kipekee kwa familia ambazo zimepoteza watu wao. Ningependa kushukuru pia madaktari wa hii hospitali ambao wametushughulikia kwa vitengo mbalimbali kwa wagonjwa ambao wamekuwa admitted hapa. Hasa ni washukuru kwa sababu wamekuwa waaminifu na wameshughulikia hasa kina mama ambao walikuwa kwa hiyo ajali. Kuna mama mmoja alikuwa mjamzito, bado tunamshughulikia na tutaona kwamba at least akuwe transported apelekwe kule Eldoret apate specialized treatment, na nafikiria kule atapata gynecologists ambao watamshughulikia pamoja na wagonjwa wengine. Na madereva wetu tuwe waangalifu barabarani. Watu wetu, I think we need a rescue team that will have to teach our people nini kinafanyika wakati tunakuwa na ajali, kwa sababu hatujapata yale mafunzo. Tunapopata na jangwa kama hilo, tunaenda hapo wote bila kujua safety yetu iko namna gani. Sasa ni jukumu ningependa kuomba gavana wetu pamoja na serikali.
Kwa hivyo tunataka kusema poleni sana kwa familia, kwa wale wote ambao walipata jeraha, na tumekuwa kule hospitalini, tunaona hali yao si mbaya wengine, na kuna mpangilio sambamba ambayo tumeweza kuweka kuhakikisha ya kwamba wale wanataka kupelekwa kule Eldoret, NTRA kwa matibabu ya ile ya juu waweze kupelekwa ili waweze kupona, na wale ambayo wengine kaunti imekubali kushughulikia gharama na tunasema pole. Jambo la mwisho, umeona nikiongea na mkubwa wetu wa polisi hapa, nimesikia hii barabara haistahili trailers kupita kwa sababu ni class B. Mimi kama na speaker wetu anasikia kama chama na security, nitaenda kuhakikisha kwamba tunaongea na ofisa wa polisi ili barabara hii isitumiwe na trailers, watumie ile barabara ambayo zimekuwa class B trailers ipite. Sawa sawa. Kwa hivyo nataka tena kusema pole, Mungu awafariji na wapatie nguvu.
Tukura senseme ya Western yotukira na wikagaiga ase kaunti ya Nairobi ase omoseneta bwe kaunti ya Nairobi omoske Edwin Sifuna omochirie abagabana abubikiranite ase gikaro kia ODM na UDA rit kuria Jumaine asogokirana gwa Kachinkubi aso Muraibwense William Ruto chingaki atebete buna chibese nigo chikobwato kwa gochia ase chiserikali che kaunti ase chingaki chibwenerete nigo bono Sifuna atebire buna marange abaseneta abo nigo babere bagwika ase committee ye Senate marange abagabana babere bagwika ase committee ye Senate abo ase atebire buna nigo babere bagotebia committee yo inyariko bagikubakonya ekogera eserikali gwetera ikiganche kenene gya serikali tianya kubwatoka chibese gusenige konyorwa kubwatoka chibese echo.
I cannot believe, Speaker, that we are still discussing pending payments of stipends of only 2,500 shillings to CHPs. Speaker, I was embarrassed beyond words yesterday that we have a whole council of governors sitting in a room where they are being told that as far as the national government is concerned, disbursements to national government never delay, that they arrive on time, that there are no arrears. The same governors come to our committees and before this house, they tell us, oh, Sifuna, you people pass a disbursement schedule, the treasury never obeys or follows that schedule, we need your help. I saw them yesterday clapping and ululating, Honorable Speaker, at obvious lies. Honorable Speaker, when you are a governor seated somewhere, you are being told that this year, this financial year, the allocation of equitable share is 450 billion. This house, and I was embarrassed to see some colleagues of mine from this house who processed together with me a budget policy statement saying that they are going to give us 420 billion shillings in this financial year. It is our Committee of Finance that said, as a Senate, that is not acceptable. I saw my colleagues, I saw governors who know the truth, clapping and ululating at obvious misinformation, Honorable Speaker. Then, I don't want to name them, they know themselves. They were so embarrassed. In fact, I saw a spectacle I've never seen, where a governor stood up to challenge the head of state for all her bravery and all the problems that I have with Governor Mbarire. Well done for the women of Kenya. You did well. Because that is exactly what courage requires. In the face of open misinformation and disinformation, you need to stand up for your people and say, Honorable Chair, Honorable Chair, that the amount of money we know you send to Parliament is 420. Where is this figure of 450? Where has it disappeared to? So, Speaker, it is embarrassing, deeply embarrassing, that we can still be discussing 2,500 shillings owed to
Senator for Nairobi City County. Yes, Senator Mungatana.
Mr. Speaker, I was in that meeting, and sometimes it is good, you know, people sometimes...
Senator Mungatana, you're rising on a point of order or point of information?
I'm rising on a point of order 105, Mr. Speaker, of the standing orders. And I'm asking my friend, the Honorable Senator from Nairobi, even if you want to score political points, is it in order to misinform this House that we were clapping at misinformation when he knows, if he was following, when he knows that the correct statement was given was that there was 385 billion before to this House, then it has been moved to 420 billion, and we are expecting 415, and we are expecting that we will push this figure to 450 billion. Mr. Speaker, even if someone wants to be famous, to get TikTok likes, is it in order to misinform this House when we were there and we had it with our own 2 ears? Is it right, Mr. Speaker? Is it correct to cast aspersions on colleagues, Mr. Speaker? It is not right, Mr. Speaker.
Order, order, honorable senators. Order, Senator Onyonka. Senator Mungatana, that sounds to me more of information than a point of order. So it's up to the senator for Nairobi City County to use that information as he concludes his remarks.
Mr. Speaker, as we say in Nairobi, there is no information there. And I want to confirm to this House and to Senator Mungatana, I am already famous. I don't need to be more famous than I am right now. So the things that I am saying on this floor are not to earn me fame. I am already famous. I am saying we saw you on TV clapping at obvious misinformation. Mr. Speaker, I don't know if Mungatana was in this House when the report from the Committee of Finance was presented to this House. It is the report of this committee that we passed on the budget policy statement that told us that the proposal from Treasury is to award or to give counties 420 billion Kenya shillings. The least I would have expected from a member of this House who was present there, and some of them call themselves Mulamamba, would have to stand up the way Governor Cecily Mbarile stood up and said, Honorable President, Mr. President, the figure that Mbadi sent to the House was 420. If he sent the wrong figure, you correct it there. The way that Cecily Mbarile, the only person who had the, I don't want to use the word that is in my head.
Togotigana na Senate omorai we kiama kia DCP gose Democratic Party of Kenya Justin Muturi omochire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kubatekana no muchando gendete kwenekiwa ase sector yobo chenu imeyense gukwana akorwa somo bagani oyomo ime omocho Nairobi. Muturi niga mochire omorai wense William Ruto asatebire nigari ne kerenga kyogo chia koire nyagitari ya Nairobi Hospital egento atebire kirema minchaneri chiko ekogere nyagitari eyo nigo etari ya serikali na nigo yaberege kurwa obokoreri bobochenu gwetania emyaka 50 ya etire. Muturi ni gatebire gitambukire kyo gose gitambukiro kyo boteneneri bwenyagitari yo kuire kinase kigambiro kugania serikali etiganene ngana ye kuyo kuire nyagitari yo tikeranyora amatunda ndonsi goikabona satebire buna abo bisaba abanyagitari abo babere bakogosererwa obugima ne kyombe gya DCI aseboigo abono banyare ko babakurwa kigari cyabo.
Some alarming situation touching on the health sector. Because all of us and many Kenyans are aware of the problems that have been highlighted by the report from the Auditor General. I may not wish to go there because, as we saw yesterday, even though you, the people from the media, know, once the Auditor General comes up with a report, that report is submitted to Parliament. The Speaker goes through it and approves it for tabling. Once it is tabled, the media is at liberty to go through it and pick whatever information that is in those reports, both the report of the Auditor General or even the report of the Controller of Budget, or indeed any other report, even reports of a committee of Parliament, so that it is not wrong for the media to highlight what it considers to be pertinent in any report, even though the report may not have been discussed or debated and adopted. But while still on the same this area of the health sector, my attention has for some time now been drawn to some evil machinations by the Ruto regime towards some schemes to destabilize and forcibly take over the ownership and management of the Nairobi Hospital, which, as you all know, is a private hospital and indeed not for profit. So this statement This statement is in regard to those latest efforts by William Ruto to take over the Nairobi Hospital. And I wish to start by observing that the Nairobi Hospital has been in existence for the last 70 years. Indeed, this year it should be celebrating its 70th anniversary. The hospital is an entity limited by a guarantee and registered under the Companies Act, Chapter 486 of the laws of Kenya. But over the past 1 year, President William Ruto, through his Chief of Staff and Head of Public Service, Felix Kosgei, schemed and continues to scheme to sustain intimidation, blackmail, and threats to the board of the management, either directly or through the chairman, Dr. Bekele Mogere Onyambu, who is a consultant gynecologist and elder of the SDA Church in Karen. Last year, on or about 25th of March 2025, these machinations coerced the board into a split composition that saw 7 new members co-opted as 7 others were removed. The Honorable the Attorney General, Dorcas Oduor, was directed to order, and she actually agreed to order, an inquiry into the affairs of that non-state entity, Nairobi Hospital, purportedly under authority conferred to her office by the Companies Act. But remember, the hospital is a private entity and therefore not one that government has any shares or any control over at all. In the process, the Attorney General who was elected to put together a multi-agency team that included the DCI, the Kenya Revenue Authority, the Financial Reporting Center, otherwise known as FRC, the Register of Companies, and the Asset Recovery Agency, to go and investigate the affairs of the Nairobi Hospital. Several of the directors of the hospital were summoned to the DCI headquarters on Kiambu Road by a team of officers led by Superintendent Piers Maethia and Chief Inspector Martin Munene through various summons that introduced the police as inspectors appointed by the AG under the Companies Act. And some of the new directors include those who serve the state in various capacities. One such being Moses Odaba, who is a director at State House. Another is Dr. Sylvester Kasuku, who is an advisor to the president, and a former Director General of the LAPSSET Authority. Others are Mr. Philip Kisia, Chris Oanda, Lekek Chebi. The call instructed the chairman to cause the removal by resignation of up to 3 directors to pave way for 3 others who the state or State House proposed. And these 3, who State House once put in the board of directors of Nairobi Hospital are 1. Justice Mohamed Warsame, who is a judge of the Court of Appeal; Narendra Rafal, popularly known as Guru, the owner of Defki Steel Mill; and number 3, Jackson Chebet Kiplimo, who is well known as a proxy of President Ruto, who runs Starbex International Limited, one of the people behind the purported acquisition through privatization of Kenya Pipeline Limited. The board believes these machinations and threats are towards the takeover of the hospital by President Ruto through his known proxies. The latest threat to the chairman of the board of directors by Leader Musumba and Collins Kiprono was through summons to him to appear on Monday this week, 9th of March, at Harambee House before Felix Kosgei. And it was threatened that failure to create the aforesaid 3 vacancies would lead to directors being arrested and arraigned in court for, in quote, money laundering offenses. But the directors are determined to protect the interests of the founders of the hospital and do not intend to succumb to this coordinated blackmail from State House. There are many problems, many complaints. Kenyans are complaining all over with regard to the problems in the health sector. And I'm surprised that I saw William Ruto trying to chest thump yesterday, saying that people are mad. You know, if you see one person saying, every day, somebody saying everyone here is mad, just check them closely. If you have seen mad people always think others are mad, you know. So that's an analogy. That's my experience in the village. But I'm told it is all over. Mad people always think that others who they are dealing with are mad. In fact, mad, those who are really mad, confirmed mad, if you go talk to them, they ask you whether you are mad. So we have a problem as a country. We need to solve it.
Togotigana nayo agenderete gukorekana ase enyagitari ya Nairobi Hospital nigo togotigara gase county ya Nairobi bado ase magigaye kiama kia ODM na kiri kia UDA gokorege ikaro ritkoria Jumaine ime nyumba yemisangrekano asomochio o Nairobi wono nigo egatia basai kurwa county ya Nairobi abare ababwatani be kiama gia ODM beso kire na komochia egikarekyo ase serikali yare kwerera obokoreri bwa ebwe miaka 3 kurwa eswa ase abisi boigo gukwanera cha agenda nyagosira Raila Odinga no muraiwense William Ruto babegetese asebano abasaya batebra buna wikabano ega serikali teraikirani kende gionsi gositeraikirani cha agenda hicho ikome.
Kwa sasa tumekuja hapa mchana huu wa leo tuongee kuhusu mambo ya 10 point agenda ama yale agenda 10 baba wetu Raila Amolo Odinga hayati aliongelelea na rais wa sasa wa nchi kabla tuache. Na kulingana na mambo ya 10 point agenda ama agenda 10, jana kuna vikundi wawili watatu kutoka kwa chama cha ODM walienda pale KICC wakaiongelelea. Mimi ningeomba ama ningependa kusema hivi. Hii 10 point agenda hawaja involve vijana. Hakuna mahali hata kijana alipatiwa nafasi pale aongee maoni yake. Tunataka 10 point agenda iende kwa wananchi, iende kwa vijana. Tuone wakichukuliwa mapicha wakioji vijana pale Kibra, pale Lang'ata, pale Soweto, pale Kisumu, pale Mandera, mpaka pale Busia border, kila mahali Kenya mzima. Tunataka kuona wakitembea pale wakiuliza maoni ya watu kuhusu 10 point agenda. Hiyo ndio kitu ya maana. Na kama sio hivyo, sisi kama vijana, sisi ndio tuko wengi kwa hii nchi. Tuko wengi kwa hii nchi. Na sio vitisho na watatuona. Itabidi tulazimishe 10 point agenda yenye mzee Raila Amolo Odinga alituachia wakiwa wamezungumuza nayo rais wetu wa nchi. Ya pili mambo ya gender rule. Tunataka kuona wakiingia pale watafute vijana, msichana, kijana, wawekwe pamoja, watembeze au wazee wa bwenyenye wenye wamekaa hapa, wakiwapeleka kwale vijiji, wakitafuta maoni ya watu. Na nikimalizia, naomba mama wetu, Mama Aida, juu mama ndio baba sahi. Yes, watu walibaki mayatima, tuko na mama, baba lituacha. Mimi namsihi mama ajitokeze naelewa juzi amepatiwa nafasi na tunafurahia sana ya kukuwa ambassador. Tunamwomba mama ambassador aongee kuhusu hii mambo ya third gender rule, na mama aongee kuhusu hawa watu wenye waliumia. Hata juzi pale Kitengela mwingine aliuawa, haijamaliza mwezi moja. Mama ajitokeze aongee venye baba alikuwa anaongea. We want legacy of former Prime Minister Baba to continue, and this thing, Baba's legacy, shall continue only if Mr. President will stop interfering with Baba's legacy. Yes, we know Mr. President history. Since Eldoret North Member of Parliament, Deputy President, and now President. We are not going to allow, we as youths. Sisi Mbarire is a wake-up call to Mr. President. Simply because Governor Mbarire is a member of UDA, elected under UDA, and she was forced to question Mr. President about something concerning 10-point agenda. And that means even UDA members, they are reading this report as null and void, null and useless.
Afternoon, members of the press, my fellow Kenyans. Our nation is a young nation. And we as the young people, as the youth of this country, we are no longer going to become spectators of our national building. We are going to take part in the shaping of the future of our country. I mean, what we saw yesterday being launched by the team which launched it, as the SG said, is null and void. You cannot tell us that you have accomplished 80%, yet the NADCO report has not been implemented. What do I mean? What I mean is quite simple. Kenya does not have freedom of assembly. We have seen assemblies being tear-gassed. We have seen chaos. We have seen police brutality. The young people are being killed. The people of Githurai are no longer free to trade. The men and women at the Uhuru market, their markets have been demolished. What are you talking about? Do you still want to tell us that there's freedom and the people of Kenya are being taken care of? That was not the 10-point of the 10-point agenda. When the team from ODM, led by the Right Honorable, the late Raila Amolo Odinga, went to the street, they used to wear sufurias on their heads. The sufurias are still empty. There's no food in Majengo. There's no food in Kibra. There's no food in Manyata and Obunga and Kisumu. What are you talking about? These points have not been explored. And we saw them. They launched this report in a boardroom. I want to urge them, the team led by Agnes Zani, I want to urge her that if this report is good for the people, then let it be read in the Manyata slums in Kisumu. Let it be read in Obunga slums in Kisumu. Let it be read in Mathare. Let this report be read in Mshomoroni slums in the Coast region. And if it survives even one reading, then this could be a good report for the people. On to the ODM, the upcoming ODM NDC. I mean, democracy survives when our political parties respect institutions.
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi Kurumucho Mano Nairobi Kisii Nyamira Nechingongo chindi chense ya Kenya abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'obwikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Je, unakusudia kwenda sherehe itakayosalia katika mioyo ya watu kama kumbukumbu daima? J&J tupo kwa ajili yako. Tunabadili kila tukio la furaha, fahari na ubora usiopimika. Tunatoa huduma mbalimbali kama vile viti vya kila aina, mimbari au meza za kuvutia, hema za kisasa, mapambo ya kuvutia, taa za kila aina, upishi wa vyakula vitamu, vioo vya kisasa, zulia za kila aina, mfumo wa matangazo kwa umma yani PS system, miongoni mwa huduma nyingi kwa bei rafiki. Kwa mengi zaidi, tutembelee katika ofisi zetu zilizopo katika jiji kuu la Nairobi kwenye eneo la maonyesho yani showground. Na ukiwa mjini Kisii ni katika eneo la Mwembe kwenye jengo la J&J lililo karibu na jumba la Isena White House. Au unaweza kuwasiliana nasi kupitia nambari 0792071110 au tuandikie barua pepe kupitia anwani sales@jnjava.co.ke. J&J, kila tukio lina hadithi, tuandike pamoja. Warusiri gutara urugendo rutambe kwenyorere bintu bicinguru bigutumye stima electronic appliances. Sungusia Electronics nintwe lichibuli yao. Nkoni tore electronic appliances chonsi buna ebirobu, power extensions, electronic water heaters, chibasi, chibetiri, solar panels, electronic gas cookers, egati ijebinde. Ntubwata phone accessories na wigo ntulene chibundi chikorosi bintu tokonia. Ninchuwenyo regi spare part chie chinguru. Sungusia Electronics boigon koros tule chispika chie kerengo kiguru. Icho chigutumeka asichikanisa nemeiga au. Tuline sababu ya wakole talentambe gucha kuligie vyombo bunebi. Tutarira somo choke birigo na boiga somo chunyamira gusa twakirisi miese namba 0784884484. Sungusia Electronics obokoreri bwekerengo keguru angenaye. Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goselwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kikiagarira Ensoko TV twachire gutorigesa ku kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwariro
oboroso bw'omugusi bwegekirwe omugusi bono ne chinchira chiago goikaransanse na kubekitibi yao kwene kingangwe somi oregekoro kyomugusi
wetro murobiryo bw'igekoro gyeito hasi tokomera nabaga kaba samwerere nabo igabange nabanyika iligo kwanero ukwebogia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao y'umugusi
kera litsuko ria ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yao na Mbeya Ensoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi
yegoro yeito imeye Ensoko Ensoko yegoro yeito imeye Ensoko Ensoko ibyengia yakire ngumanga bunalero Ensoko
omwanchi omurigere bw'ensoko TV
igetaseni Ensoko TV nibwatira sengenje yao
kokoretera amang'ana amaya
ayatabwati gwanchero ko rwonsi korime ya gusina isiko ya gusi
to kubekera tene ni anyare ko bakawateka
atabwati gwanchirire bonda bwensi
korwa bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Meye County ya Kisii Eliotariane Caroline Mausa
korwe county ya Nyamira Eliotariane Nyariki Steven Embonde
korwa county ya Kisii Eliotariane Wycliffe Orenge
mera na inche Dominic Onderi Nyabuto ekeranya gukoreta amang'ana amaya ko ritukuria Jumatatu bakari tukuria Jumapili Jeni Gongoro Perpetual machini na nyora netrobin Ensoko TV oboroso bomogusi
Kera kama tingatara daike taoni ya Nyamira na rena shauri sangwe ngararo moijana umuntu batamabwari
Murigere bw'Ensoko TV uyu no muroberio gwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au turabe tukumira na kira ritukurie iki guchakera chinsa 11 chamogoroba wikenseyemo ya butuko kugwakorire emirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero yawo buyanda chitasekerugo orambulete emirundo kunyagusibero ngori nari screen ni chingero chikoretwo na mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au ano tokonyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo toamereria
Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa amatukemeronge na gaika kabwatwa
ebagoteba ngo goseka mwerio nero goseka buya maiga yokonyora mang'ana mange korwa segete kia usigete Ensoko TV boni go yakirenga kingo koreta nganya sai nigonda koretro murobili kurkunga amegerio yebebelia murobili nigonda orete amuna basomba banyasae abwastra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagare nantalia yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noborori ntunyare koba tukurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotebanga Jumamos abande batebanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchomulisho ngaga nabasomba banyasaye ntokoretere umurubiri bw'eleson seseni onye kubwateri ibolyo obosemia gusekero kendi gyonsiguro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri uko email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutoka samagacho Hazina Towers egoroba ya 5 asumucho munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso womogusi. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Bia mono naende omurigire bwensoko ando nsiasore no kwegena kwane ni gogendete kubwatia umoroberi bwetu rubine kerabono nakomanyinga ase entunde yiga ya kabira ni gotogoswa ase gugosengana tuguchukwana ritkoria rero abageni baitu banyare ko baba gwikaga iga ase studio ritkoria rero no gotoguchukwanera omoroberi gose gusira omoroberi bwechisemi iga imeyenze ine no bwatenganende oragani tosange ase enganeyo nabo torikera ujumbe gwetera se namba itu studio eyure 0788666663 totebingo moroberi wechisemi karoroche chibasari chikuru egugabwa se constituency ya Wasore nakyo obwene no bwasyo kongorekana bura banta bangi banyare ko bagwesokya bagoteba ngachi basari chekaro chikuru egukero kende abaraini go bakuru korengana buna chiamate chiri chimanyaine nabaraina barwa bagota chibasari echire echabanto bonzi anene abana bari bakuru asi chiamate chiri chitari kwenyara ayo amuna yanda mange bageni baitu baikirega Ian karibu sana.
Asante.
Marieta manyo murigereri bwensoko.
Esa Marieta ngoro kwa mkuu Ian timati na ningi na matai
sino ngai goto wetambulisha vizuri
ngoro kure kaunti ya Nyamira Kitutu Masaba constituency Gachwa ward
inge kara kende unkyogo cha kwarakora
jino mwanafunzi ndeno umuraiba wanafunzi ngosomande se school ya Nairobi University of Nairobi School of Law
ngyo law wakoribia na karibu Kingsman
asede tangoro Michael Makori from Nyamira Borough constituency Kiabonyoru ward accountant by profession and an auditor by nature.
Okay, senjo kwa you are an auditor ngoranga chi auditor mono no bagocha banya audit emeroberi ya serikali banya gotebanga binte bimbiri buya binte bibado akuja kwa vizuri korengana naye Makori omoroberi yiga buko bwatuka totebe chibasari kwanza turachakira na kia serikali abonete gukora erinde kwene kinga ngusirere aborokigwa bali batari kwenyara turachakiraga
initially into abwate ekwende bakarukire na free secondary and primary education and to abwate system. The system was designed from mwana unakosa school apuna ukole university. So I think it's a working something yenye eco work but is dying slowly. Ntu abate free education ilia leto tuna Kibaki. Some of the guys enjoyed the same system. Toka sangi bagacha bakaleta free primary education, secondary education. Na ukienda university unapata kuna help. Where ilikuwa inakupost unasoma without any struggles. But of late, you come to realize that education is now becoming so expensive compared to the previous years. A system yes serikali tobwate it has not really nawewa tainanko support to education, but indeed in its sense there is nothing which is happening. Wono chibesa njiro chikuru kuna constituency development fund. Constituency development fund does not really need like is a situation yenye aba MP bachagete tena chibesi chitikato include to the bursaries but sincerely speaking chibesi itaina neras machi konya wanafunzi kusoma. It's just part it's the constituency development fund. It does what we call development in school birasi ogolete school chikali okolere ogorosyo nyenobo dispensary orosi binde kamine bibike so that money it became into a situation de nyabantu bachagete kubitumia buna a political tool okole kwerende ko bagansa kwena na buna chipasal school and now the other side is suffering gekogera bono isikoligere I was with in the Ministry of Education yesterday was trying to understand a lot of things about education. The population is increasing. But how many new public schools Asoko? school onye gwasomete school ko school gete ere public school igabwe village mwalingi kusina abantu 5000 right now ukienda kwa the same village there is like 35000 with the same school serving the same nini
the same people
so that's why I was hanging about somebody can decide to open a private school akarigoiraga school iga otebuka igorana ne karoba igoro abantu bana bachororo because there is no government schools which can support this growing demand.
Biamono sana Kingsman asokubeka enkwani yuya nani Ian.
Yes.
Karokende karoto kwana romoroberio yiga wa bursary and waiver in education. Aso korangera kwa gosebuna yabano watebire bursary na ku waiver that in education. Aso mwananchi kawaida. What does it mean?
Ritangani bursary kero mwananchi na maite. Bursary this is money that is under the NGCDF Act that is used kukonya mwananchi kuiru mwana wa skuru elinde akora masomo. Now in the recent times education na masomo very too low, too wavering that we cannot say that you are not sure of if there is education if you are going to school and if you are going to that schooling. So chibasari echire under the NGCDF. Nachibasari NGCDF, it is guided under an act. By the way, the act that is guiding the NGCDF Act, 40% of the money itimokwa unga NGCDF egwenta kwa ndese basari. Inari the amendment 2022 whatever ya NGCDF Act 2015. But chibase chokonya wara emoire buna omojumbe wono mojumbe na ero kwa mwanga 40% iyo chibase twa tu nga kitoko yebeka. Number 1 etoko akero muntu chibase chirenga ine rinde abanafunzi basome. Number 2 etokorora olio wori insena etoko achinga nyinge olio machete kwenyara tumutike. But of recent times tuarolire the amendment ya 2022 ya anchirane tenga chibase chinji kwenda kwa schools cha from grade 10 to university level. I think that is the work of the national government. But nakiwo motare ko igwera ngachi achire kwa kwanya bantu ba ECD. ECD ni gasi county. Now under the act I think it is section 48 once ya NGCDF Act watabanga 48A watabanga chibase echo onye chiakea onye 40% yakea omojumbe na bwate opportunity yo komenda chibase echo
ngaya ko chimenda kuru
torochi the aggregate sum ya NGCDF chonsipi last I can use an example of Kitutu Masaba constituency. This financial year to chibase chiko kunga 202 million. Now from the 202 million richikeri kota yanga 40% of it should go to bursary. 40% of it onye tira isana onye mujumba ororenga abantu banemba puato kogani kwa masomo na tira isana at section 48A mwanchire tenga na bakomenta some percentage which is 40% irinde chikonye abantu. Now I want to emphasize something that NGCDF chibase echo echiarete to ekerenga kiaye echiarete chiko development. Igobone kerenge kyunga chirusi abantu kuruga iga chiba sikyo chigoro. They were purposely meant kuimukyo mutaka. My issue na abantu bawo express so much nga anseki omuntu kwenyara n'umuntu mutaka bako kuchibase chibasari same amount.
Abu asengencho ngoira naturega bona kiki nanderi buriana riana next makore. Who qualifies for bursaries or education waivers?
It's the poor. At the end of the day, no monte maskinero went to kuchibase. Yeah, but now we have
as a government nakikora ko manyanga oyiga umatekero bakugenda gare oichori nakibono bakora manyanga linet no mutaka agose tari kwenya unajua kuna ebiwangombiro muntu twensi ndore ngaini naro arorore inze pi otari konyarano naba muna bantu ko kwana bana baroro bataraende school because they don't have money batemire basari anya gocha batemire cyo bago tebe cyo mubunge cyo mu MCA cyo women rep bake governor unajua watu wanakuanga na hizo nini togo tebe scholarships baranyora na kingo procedure ke gutumeka twamanyanga oyega ian kwenyarare ntomwa muku oni makori tari kwenyara nabone tanyore na ki government ibonete gwikira na irengere.
It's not a government sincerely, but the government becomes as a third party. Yakogero monto iri chibesane is a member of parliament.
Yeah, that's a government also. Government the
member of parliament represents you. Is not supposed to interact with it. You know, we have the system of government where it's some civil servants, and we have so in the village there is what we call village elders. We have the chiefs, we have the assistant chiefs and every person. So the reason why ogosangi monte kenyorogete bwataga village elder ne bwate chief. A chief enere manyetengana kinyomba gete omwana na family gete mbai kwenyara abotokora ki tokobabikaga tokobagosiru. So this is we going to correct all the information from the grassroots level. Banyire ekerba kwenda bono kwa na chi parcel. Watu applying. But kuna ile kasali like sasa mimi ni auditor unafanyanga cleaning. Unatoa the wale watu wenye unaona
wanaweza lipa school fees.
Muibuli nali kirega singo korale ne serikali ngusangia chibesi ya mana. Usogosangia muibuli onabwate some business yako korale chai nabwate chiombe. So no wasangia umuntu ndene asamenyete no amenyete chikonda teberete. Abana abwata abangi. Wasangia bali ko konyo. So that's what we call corruption. One of no corruption ya wasoera. Yakogera umuntu yotenengete akwanda otebigose no ine chief eli gose no muntu yotenengete CDF bomote ya yango ichibesa gete ayengera abani kwerende. So si unaona watu wenye wako marginalized wanaendelea kuwa maskini. Yeah.
Biamono. Kerengere kiongere kike kubwatikana nabo ebasari gwikabanoiga abana mbaroro bataragende school. Reason corruption na makoria kwanire. Bagambi mbara identify na ndemba bwati gose mbabwate data lakini sengenjo umuibuli narororo chi bibi nambiro rogo soko nyoram umuibuli sengenjo momanya ine no mugambi kwanda kwa morora kando okwe basari osoko okwa scholarship eri okwira na rukukwira mpaka noni chobisi chababungi.
Now what is happening chipase chia basari chia very politicized. They're using it as a political vehicle to erinde kuebeka in a position where are very elected. Esengenjo richikeri gane tinga chibase chichia gwe somwana uli mutaka utanyarwe we koire school. Lakini what we have witnessed in many constituencies neringa ebagota bange bakwa kero monto in an equal amount. I love using examples, so I can use example of Kitutu Masaba where I come from because neron ndabete. Umujumbe itawa tebanga akwa kero monto ebasari.
Umujumbe nanoro.
Ako Clive umbani Gisairo. Gisairo hote anga akwa kero monto ebasari. Thus this year I kero monto ebasari ya 5,000. By that ande te mine tingangwa kero monto na ka kero monto esingenjo ntuto ikaranste buna abanafunzi tukamatainga ntota ite kero monto ebasari etutaite ebasari esingenjo kwate biri bibaze nechinke. Chibaze chinge chiyire konya bali batanyare kuire school erate abayaya ntetenge kero monte basari. Sawa tukanya lenda kero monte basari. Number 1 kero monto taire basari. We have concerns whereby we have forwarded him names yabantu bataire basari but agendonge akore
nakia batete
okumubori will blue you will bull tick you usaga kubate simya ko manya nacha. You see that is where the issue of corruption comes in. So uko gani waitongolinga buna tuatebete buna dichikoriko tebanga chibase chibasari ga kisogwancha ka umwana uri utari kwenyara linda ende school esengenzo buna na gwanchirega mbare barenka esengenzo school fees
mbare bakure
mbare chi university or barichi school. In short, umuntu nawe 5,000 yeyu temokonya singinjo it is very little amount to him. Lakini naro yetakete na kikere ta arenga. Okukani goito no kukunga abajuma babari wanje batiho politicize these funds by abantu according to okugani kwabo. Era bebuya sana. They have the data to use. Wono in about the chando, they don't have enough money. I want to tell them they should read the National Government Constituency Development Fund Act, Section 48A. In fact, tika baratera mangana ne tinko basomere kwende.
Endera na boko soma.
Tika baratera mangana ne. Ngo basomera igotanga Section 48A ya NGCDF Act ya watanga ki 48 ndikanza kala 48 ya watanga social security programs. The funding of social security programs, educational bursary schemes, mock examination and continuous assessment tests shall be considered as development projects for the purposes of the act, provided that such projects shall not be allocated more than 35 and ya 35 before last 2022 to 40%. But 48A whatever, despite section 48 you go cap the money into 35%, despite section 8 a constituency committee may, with the approval of the board, allocate additional funds to the bursary, education bursary schemes and education days. You see, that they won't help our brothers and sisters in the school. They are very cheeky for they have the authority, and if they have the will, they can go to the board and request for additional funds. We want everyone to go to school. Don't privilege. Kindly, if our MPs stop politicizing these funds, school. I want to tell you that the biggest development you can do for your people is giving them education. Ask Mwai Kibaki. That is why Mwai Kibaki introduced the free primary education. When Mwai Kibaki had free primary education, they benefited even these MPs. That is why they are in the position they are, that they are important to the country. Well, you go to in education, we are not going to be anything, correct? So it is my hope that if they want to develop their counties, their constituencies, let them start with education. It is very key.
Okay, biamano. Makore, how can students na kia aba oroki wago saba iburi baranyara ko babondo te bari batagete ko nyoro mo roberio yiga boishi basar. Procedure ne riega.
We have the procedures. I think, do you know we have a lot of bursaries in Kenya? It's not, you know, we concentrate on only one.
Exactly.
Tora kwa nire yiga ya babunge sengi jonere bwate issue ya denga kinere abone te kurusi kwa sibari bakareta liberera parliament sana.
But we have a lot of bursaries in Kenya.
Ya me manyire common ne yiga ababunge bakuru.
So that's why some guys benefit, others suffer because
now there is that student outside there. Karokenda sinyirenga ibasiri ba kunya gukwana nanya kanyora. Na kiabone te wa apply.
The application processing because
Chifomu
chikorusi was a constituency. It's called constituency. What the body ya CDF is called what?
It depends on every constituency. Constituency nero kana rebekete online. Nero kana rekoena na chief officers. Yeah.
It will depend.
It will depend. And then what happens? But at the constitution of Kenya, when such things come, the MP or the person in charge must publicize. Chicheki school. Okay.
Is part of each bursary?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bursary.
You have to apply. You can go apply, it goes to their committee. That is where they will decide if I will get. Now they will decide. In fact, there's a problem with them that...
Another question comes. Ekarona apply regali, ene formu, na icho ili linet nyambane, Ensoko TV nyenere university kutengo bikore no admission number okeregen
ngobe ko account ni school
inki yako kala nandi bakundangiri bachikonge cheki mbago tomari okasi
it depends.
That's what we call politics
sasa ndio nauliza
echine
chiribusano orangiri go somo ndaru achikoye cheki honestly why can't you deposit that money direct to
the bank
account?
When a constituency and they don't call they will deposit to the school account. That is some advantage. So that is why I told you about politicize these funds. But you can rangeri, but I tell Rangeli baka Bible in Morenga. Go to Jaria,
Tokende. Ekarokonyora chibese chichechi basari. Is it a favor? Because okonyoro omubunge bono ekermo mwanyoro chibasari oyenero bosiasa bago chibakora. Na baretera chimuna na baretera chibasari osea abangina na abage ntogete abana ninje ngoire skuru. Is it a favor or it is a constitutional right koro moro kigwa anyore e basari? Singe nchaba ndubanda bakora. In fact isikubo no mungina gusiga ringi yako girota itokochora nyarebe. Akotaba basari. Na nge basari ngairiro mwane school bono. Ne favor ko bakora wose ne right yako basari.
That's your mandate. Given a basari. Is it not like something yenye nakwanga ni favor? There is no favor inside there.
In fact SDG Korea Kenya, that is Article 43. Kwa na economic and social developments. Every child has the right to access to have accessible education. Article 56 yaba watana ki it is very important for a leader to make sure that a child is right is respected. Correct. Well, it is lichike rikogania ichikondiriko saba irikogania ikogara lichikoliko tabanga to we basari it is it's zero chao. That is what they forget, and we will be questioning them until omwana endo we anelire nkagari tabwati fees erusko gari. So it is not a favor. That is why no nyepa go to you know to attend the question, but what we have witnessed it is that eba go to tamagena mpaka kabara soko tutamagena na tugutika na hande nturugutika mwanafunzi yori rengagari atara school. I want to kobaiberalinga tutike kuyeba the other forms of bursaries to bwate. They are very important. A county no bwate bursary. For example, an example of Nyamira County Sengoro. Richi kuriko bakaide is I don't know Nyamira County Education bursary fund. They have a bursary, but the problem is on the tayo na ko bursary issue. That is the question. That is like ke bara mo want moto
rende mo wate bursary ju ekero tebanga account ya Nyamira ne bwate chi bursary.
Noroche
ndote bene bwate bursary because kama mimi siwezi sema onye mwenye mugavana tara kwa tukabweka. You cannot hear that information
no ngo bwato kabari kere financial year. That is why you awara mo kwenta kotokonya every financial year there's
umwana naroro onyorere account
na goto tebimbaro abuto tarochi. Now that is where an issue comes in mbaro barabi.
According to you, a county government ya Nyamira, yukura no moske amos nyaribo. Ekobeka chibe sensemo, budget bagotebanga ye basa yo chigokonya abana. Lakini by the end of the year, mwana tayo konyora besecho, na mwana tayo korre kwendo benefit rine county government ya Nyamira.
Now the issue is here. Bagotota ingwana na bali. According to them, because chiba sekero chagete basari ntotake kumanyanga nchenano tuababuli barabato tainaki ngwena nuchire, but those who get is where the problem we don't know them.
That's the question. Have you ever come across mwenye alikuwa ametaka koso orenge supposed kwa kuchiba secho taiwa rende ndobeke
yes we katoye kwanire sengencho kere budget yako somu chiba sichingo somu chire naki this amount of money neye basari account yeah wikatochikwanire
tiganyo murigereria na bango tebe murigereria uturigireti kurwa se account ya Nyamira umungwana wekuruko Ian Mukwa kwa yuro tebrenge serikali account ya Nyamira nige kubeka chibese chie budget egose kubeke budget ensemo iyo guchikotebe guchikubwatoka chibese gucha sabaruki wabari batari kwenyara gose murubiri bwe basari bwe account iyo anyo gukuru account ya Nyamira bato tainga engane inerororo chibese ichu no manyeta moro kigonyara ko baga konyora gose ngwa apply to kanyora gose na kikiabete gwetera se number ite studio eyere 0788666663 sangango ebirengereri byao ekerotogendete no moroberi nkwira nan konyora SMS yekrwe county ya Nyamira ngonya somade na Kingsman kwa rupa.
Do you know the parcel system in the county government of Nyamira? I don't know. Even the
Nyamira.
Even getting information from the system ya county Nyamira, it's not there. Unapatanga information is printed in Nyamira county, but getting it online.
Bagwanta bayiru code.
That is working against the constitution. Yeah.
Aya, ndobate basari yo mu MCA.
Nere county.
County parcel.
Ne governor nere.
Nere.
Na mu MCA ne governor chibwatera net. Njanya kwasoka.
Njanya kwasoka.
Igabono tata governor ne MCA
babwate mechando gete bagwanta bayiru code.
I don't know the way it works.
Let me tell you.
Even if you want to get an information from Nyamira County today, you can't.
It's
a hidden system whereby I don't know the county is managed by
but you know it is very good to confront the Musenga Nzurichiko Section 35 access to information. A government has the mandate to publicize, to publicize and publish every information. So now that we get a county in the government of Nyamira, apply.
I remember Steve Mugaka matukutara era mange alikuwa hapa ndikondera ringega na Clinton yondige botuko na kwanetenga ngorware bade gotene county ya Nyamira ko na kwante era se constituency yae chibasa richire nie hanapea na. Do you agree?
West Mugrango.
I can't agree. Do you know why? I can't agree. Not everyone gets the bursary.
But some
it is not right. Some, but that is not right. Don't accept what you should not accept.
Lakini iya ninto iwana nagaiga kero kendenga na bokonyora iya nimbujari na bagwaka ne school fees. Oyegata tako tingo ere.
Sasa nikwambie uko na maskini 1100 kwa constituency. Umepatia maskini hata hujapatia maskini. Umepatia maskini 5.
Ukapata tajiri.
Ukapatia tajiri 100. So is that a person?
Lakini mnaende tikatura irana maiga hase county ya Nyamira mogoteba na eri bwatu bututuka nungu mu governor na MCA. Omo MCA kyabonyoru na iguna bwatu kachibazari ya matuka bangwe. Njere chichi to kwa atari chichi moda chire bato. Ihonja soka rin.
Chirechi ngonyorete.
Can you
tuwabaligiri we need evidence tuwabaligiri sawa tigiragu ene wodia
kyabonyoru
chiwodi chinde igente kyani ngenya kuigwekana.
Okay, ese ngenjo mwachire kaiga na ndendo cho mwacha kushambulia county government ya Nyamira bwana inu na basai what can we inkikebenta ko koru ne serikali county igo sendu na basai rende to ne kinga transparency ngwa penyere gari ase obviously yechi basar.
What happens mbagwate richiko riko ba guide. The problem comes in where they don't follow the law. The Nyamira County Government Bursary Education Act ngoba tabiere how they should use a ward board. There's a bursary ward committee. Epwente kurus from every location of every sub-location, every sub-chief, to the people who are every student who is eligible to apply should apply. And then kwende chichienda to ward level. Ika ward level no included the sub-chiefs and the chiefs this one can be eligible because mbabugati background yabo ni yokogania. If they follow that law, mbako ku matemu.
Biamono ngoira nande egekegeke tukrando mutimo komo kego. Murige nako mayinga wanyo gukuru county ya Nyamira. Koigura bangwa na baiga yakuru ku Ian Mokwa nabo igo Michael Makori banyere ko bagotabanga obututukanu barase serikali county ya Nyamira anena ase basari yuko batuku ne county government ye county yo ento koronye gokuruororo twenekeringo ingani bakwana nayo mane goseno borimo gwetara se number ite studio ina kwa 0788 66 66 63 kwirana kubugurinde chisemi chao nabo igo gosoma chi message erinde tonyako batogo semani to chiari
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goselu bokonene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kicha Nensoko TV twachire gutorigesa ko kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwariro
oboroso bomugusi boigekerwe omugusi bono ne chinjira cyago goikaransanse na kubeketi bya kwene kingangwe somi uregekoro kyomugusi
wetro murobiryo bwigekoro gyeito hasi tokomera nabaga kaba Samuelere naboigabange nabanyika Eligo kwanero kwebo jia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yumugusi
kera litsuko ria Ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yao na Mbeya Nensoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye Nensoko TV oboroso bumugusi
Yekoro yeito imeye Nensoko Nensoko Yekoro yeito imeye Nensoko Nensoko kibengia ya jirengu manga bunarero
omwanchi omulire Nensoko TV
igetaseni Nensoko TV ibwatira senge yao
kokoretera amangana amaya
ayatabwati gwanchero ko rwonsi korime yagusina isiko yagusi
to kubekera tene ni anyare ko bakawateka
atabwati gwanchire bonda bwensi
korwa se ebunge ya kitutu chache South Meye County ya Kisii elietari anen Caroline Mausa
kurwe county ya Nyamira elietari Nyarike Steven Embunde
kurwa se county ya Kisii elietari ane Wycliffe Orenge
mera na inche Dominic Onderi Nyabuto ekeranya gukoreta amangana y'amagiye ko ruri tukira Jumatatu bakari tukira Jumapili Jeni Gongoro Perpetual machini na nyora netrobini ya Nensoko TV oboroso bomugusi
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Yabutokire chidagika emeronge tatone ya mwigure chinsa isano na chinsa ni sano chabono mambia kwegena kwane buna nigogende tukubwati umurubiri asenjire yabene kigima na nigogende tubya andonsi asorerit kore rero nigotugukwanira umurubiri bugusira chisemi meyense aneka tokumurekera obokoreri gosokonyora chibaser ase aborokigwa imeyense abasai baregera se studio nigo yo makuru kwa Ian Mukwa na boigo makori Kingsman oyo nyareko bagwikage gabonsi yachi aba coincidence ngabakuru kuru county ya Nyamira banyare ko bagotanga gututukanu ni gobore ase county ya Nyamira sibatebire buna morobere bwe chibasari okuru gweroro bado mbaisa negeti batebire buna chibasari nchiri chibonete kurwa ne county government oratige chiga cyo mabunge batebire che county government serikali nige kubeke budget gabo lakini mwari bweri tukugosoma mwari bwo mwaka mbanya korora mwanafunzi onyarako bagagu faidika korwa somo roberi yo nakina kwari baganga onye gukorwa se county ya Nyamira no ngane yaba abasaya bagukwana ne kimaine twenekeri gwetera se number 2 studio eyure 0788 666663 ototevinga nike maine gose abakari kuruta abarai amagena senge njenjengora randenga merobiri chibasari nkurwe gwere naboigo abarai abakorangira niri bakuba tukachibasari okonyoranga nigo bakogenda onya negeti barangiri baena na chijaki kerase gabo abangina rende bairiri atana bega bana bagenda ase chi score kero nanyorre seminaro roro ya soire tigango toraigunga neriri agotebe hello Ensoko TV
Soko wakire
buya
yako kukamati bwana komoiwa
kamati
magwawa esamba
magwawa ere county ya Nyamira
ere county ya Nyamira
omoroberi bwe basari bwe county norororo
nonya mbali kurubato isanekie lakini njirororo njema eteiga onya no mochumbe yakuruta mangana wote gira ondi obisi yaye abana bagenda bapurae amali oya mangana yaira ni unaenda obisi yaye kibesa kiri bagenda bakiakereza kulingana n'abana bali atagete koa ete kijagende account ya school wana abana baruta kusomerwa marieta ya magi nkwairwa nyamba na nkwairwa oli nkwairwa oyegwali city wana bakarura kiri busato bagata yabaikire isano Lase chinjirure bono ti manyanga abure kibago kwanera bono ne university usena college gote secondary
omwana oyo kwa ukiri busano nire ngaro yo ototeba abaga bako ukiri busano na bana be secondary gose ba irenga
secondary
mubungo onoro lyo
nyamoko
mbia mono baba asante sana kwa igure otebire nga nyamoko ngubwatukare chibasari
ndurakana bajime ngubwatukare account tarata
wono karati
nganya ngubwatukare
ndakwanera chibasari ejo usi omwana kwa gutiri bwisano totebe omwana ochira alliance uso mwana urangeriwe ede school bali gusi ede school nechibe serenga bawa kana paya
ede school
sometimes usangi baka 12,000 15,000
lakini abuna anda ede school ngote omura ibwense nataba mwana tabe bwante go sari school fees
bande koliki
bande koliki para lenchara bara ede school ba yona kule
lakini si anasema hivyo
no kwa ground
ni kazi kusema na
okay totebo mwana we day school to chake bono to akesa bwengia watebera waka na 12,000 onyorre basari ya 5,000 chatigaire renga 7,000
chatigaire 7,000
rando no mwako mugima
bono uno mwana we day school tayo iro mwana ole gosene national school gosene extra county school whereby usangi extra county school usangi mwana wakana something like 50,000 50,000 somewhere sindio in national school yenda 100,000 mwana oyo kwa mwere chiribisano is a very poor
lakini ase national
is
school
coming from a
national school to bend kwa 100,000 is serikali
ya chance
ya stabilize
baba get 53,000
obe national school obe kisi walisema hivyo
but now the school board is having a authority they can come up with extra money which makes that money to go to something like 100,000
nikona magoso bado asoiri kutenene school because serikali ekero apply school basari mbama itinga go so mwana wana alliance yokwenda uchiwaka na 100,000 baraba begete budget ya 53,000 bata birengo kwa bari gusine chiribose nikomi they know they are dealing with 53,000
serikali ya bekire budget ya tebirengana ki according to us the way we have analyzed a national school went work na 53,000 sindio but ye kero ikire skuru gali mu skuru ba gote bringana ki onye go target to transport from one place to another. We need a pass. You need it to add certain money. Ento onye go target to kole kwirende to kole bintu getiga to kora to koyo na no mwana aragire buya. We need a certain amount of money to add on top of that money. Kwa mausanga chipesa cha koleleke cha chirigoro. So omwana oyo akane 5,000. You know 5,000 is like 2% of the total amount of money omwana oyo wakana at the end of the year.
Umaralia umuchando tari chibese chiwakanu as school. This school wakana bale what are 12,000. Nationals wakana bale 53,000. Umuchando tari oroyo. Umuchando neba national school neba bana bonsi national school bakwenda bakana 53,000 na ro rachi akane atali konyegera. Naro gusinyu wakana no 2% chibese echo. Ogino oro umuchando. Na kirichi keri na kichiwa cha NGCDF chachete chikonyo uyu utari konyara gwakana tari uyu gwakana atari konyegeriko wono umuchando ntuno otobwatu umuchando gabunga ki chibese cha CDF ingi motanjera chikonya abantu bali batari kwenyara singinje inere igasi yabo. When you say ngangorekero monto, you are against that law.
Mbiamono umutegerere nariga usomurige nariga iga urikire message yagoteba agona baide agote ngutana gwata umubungo nengoko agoteba engoko erengo ngotemare gutatiga nigo babonete komenta chibese chukurwa 5,000 wika bachimende chikine otebire gavanere tigarare otebire nse aguruka chubati kanda batesi. Hello Ensoko TV.
Hello Ensoko
wakire bia ngoyo to kukwana nere
ya proponentia ni koru kitu masaba
Nivian
jena retewa omonge no teire nga wana ba secondary ba konyora chiri buisana asari kerogo che constituency ya kitu masaba 5,000 no chi abana be campus
5,000 ne abana be campus aya se constituency yao omonge na rate 5,000 yari asenya mokera rate magwagwa rate abana be secondary
nande ngoyinya buya tokagenda ko abana funzi bakaenda ko bodi
chibese
bakabeka namo babeka namo bagateba 5,000 ikiasa abana be university nchiri goisa fata mo mwana ngake uchiar ko nanula yarete sai mondar guru asaro nyetubwati idugwacha kwenda kwara wata iki
kwa bwade kebande
Ondo tabu trafer kurumeru acha bakagusiaje ko irebe nde byara bwatu waidi ai 5,000 chi constituency chinde to neba kisi county na wana to sama na bo montawa te utendike to ko bodi ntu ate unga bane baichora kwani asa bana ba wichora nande kero to abodi digo tari once bakonyora na bongo na miseti ngakeyemo
ayenke okora kusenga yo soma
rungu ono oikana into batomentere chibese chinga abanafunzi bamenda ndo wanjira na kogera kurumega abandi bakaidu chinyinge no mbono ko mawawe bako high school 5,000
ayene ngoko gwateba igen ngoko bana kera ko bainwe be university ko se college ba 5,000 e secondary abandi ngako
ngai 3,000 bako
okay
5,000 ira high school atomentere chibese
lakini ngoruari
lakini tari bonse bakonyora
echi county government chiro chimwanya gotema
twanya kuchirora
Mbiamono wala
waneri
mbiamono sala kwa hiyo rega tabire nga kurukunivian kuruchinsa mocha kitu masaba nero tabire ni gare student Rongo University akwana kwa sababu no ninche na hiyo
no segende kyakwana last year December we organized tukarangerania wanafunzi ba kitu masabengi tukaenda tukwane no mujumbe tumathene ki onye chibese wote bachire chinke somali chiko omanyanga na bakomenda chibese kurisi chichinde oratiga kwagacha Chiefs Camp no rato someria abana tukamatebi nandi tukamatenga ki tigako wako uri kwenyara chibese chigwara ko uri kwenyara mentero uyo tali kwenyara chiketenike komete kuruga abu akorete watotebi ngandure imungurieta nongeto komate. I can show you that clip. Ate imungurieta ambire
ingi bwana ono leke ingi bwana no
clip ngasoke igo bono we are not against what
osho no bate clip wekyo
ngoga soka lichinse cheche
na bode soki gesoki ngotoro lebu mu
na kingo
dano ngechesa producer tabiro chesa
na kingo wataina ki we are not saying that na kyakoro ngoga tari kurbese ngorwa chibese
okay na okwari go chat one on one nere nako manyete kwanza
oira na kingo tayanga tali ngati ngoga tari kurbese
ndanga
kana ngese na kekyo
na kekyo
eke
ndango ngero rere
eke be ko mutandao yaliyo weka sente
ayechuri ebese kendara excuse bona kurwabo ebi munguli etabinde yarigiri abantu nagenda motebe university yake akurwara liko charity basari
ndege katika ngora ne yakura guteke mungure
iyi tutwara bateba anki cyaru atente
yapreo
bona kurwabo ebi munguri etabinde yarigiri abantu nagenda motebe iyi university yake akurwara liko charity basari kare yakaena nigu abantu abake
bono abatu tumete tochikobori
abona ko arenge karago tago
abatu tumete tochikobori abatu tumete agatebanga ibunguri etabinde byatumira abantu abatu tumete tochikobori n'abanafunzi timati wana abanafunzi abona barogeta ibunguri eta wesenintu karaji ndu mete when you are in leadership you should not fear kubuli kwa maswali karako romu jumba ko fear kubuli kwa maswali na wanafunzi baka yo kiresa ko baroke munguli eta it is the something ebisire if you are right ndo to matematika omujumbe chibese gwatebe chikoerero lakini mbali ogoteba kwa kiro muntu mbali batali konora gakana tukamatairende abantu bali kwete chiri busita ngora kero monte kwara ka moya gali sale go chori nganguru polling station igete Rusia Marieta ali kere polling otomego kuru polling station otatainga eri amisi polling station abantu abaikomi ngaba erinde to akesa bwe yabantu beke chiribusi chisita tuisanike tukamatei kenda otumeli jiko buna liwata article section 48A omente chibase chibasa richisane erinde oya abantu bago bonsi abantu bago chisaini nande tukamatainga bali bakwenyara kara barusi wangu ka bali batali kwenyara linda banda banafunzi bonsi barunga baende school ebinte byonsi pina libekiramo naliyabeketamo ebinte byonsi buna tomatedi ajote banga ibungurieta you know there's an example there's a girl from Mongoni waron sa Mongoni there's a girl mwaroche kwende ige recorded cities it was tangaziri Citizen TV wala gote banga a girl who scored very well who performed very well in grade 9 akumanage kwenda high school egacha koirera external interveners bagacha kumuire school so a student like that ka kinopwate datanga uyo ka ground kia ngeri uya na muruera 10k timosuketi ase that is the question we have
lakini yani kuna rado kuruto umubungo yo engoko sana magena lakini totabega si umubunge nenene abantu abana bare constituency na bange let us agree on that naende buna mwatebire gabo bona ekero gotebaiga ekero gotebaiga bono again tutobante kurigereriga ambara byo bakora selection process
exactly
so omubungo gocho kora selection gotegari kera totebe constitution nebwate board ya bari ekero bakora application bagocha bakora selection ngaita se form mabungu bari none ngombe gosono bwate nini bakora selection bamanyanga oyiga gosengina tari gokora gasi nini bona amagosa yego kubekera omubunge tari ase selection ye committee yega era na marieta gosebuna bano tora eti kuruga iga oyoga noyo aireru ngayibona amagosa kuruera uko mubekelela wa meyo
omoralia karali chikoli korasigu likoiruru president ya sign he can refuse to sign. So kera body go select abantu ngomoleterera abana butu select abana butu batiga reasons to batigira niye he can say no
na kya bata
he can say no because
tuira nengora tiga bano nge kora kwane tiga tora makori ndo chotegerere sana makori lakini rende namaete selection process bunego koru unantu atebire nabwate committee ekorigereria abana bari bare need babonete konyore basari committee ya agree the same una wakwa naki umurai bwense ni gakwirerwa richiko osaini osaini ria bill ekarori etirarari parliament diagenda sare kabekire seiri abereki iri abere richiko so magoso kitotebe una bano iga iya ni arorekanira kurarira mubungo iga engoko tikero kende ndumanya usene basari yakorinete ndo kumanya magoso kyo mubunge oirwa marieta ya bana gusana abana totebase constituency onyore gusase ward onyore abana guseni 10 ye abuna uba abaraya abutotebe baretire abana naba o abaiga bona nabuwa marieta abo ago proceed bachikonyore basari basari esoke kero kendo ri atige turende korengana gose buna baroche ngana nyare. What is the problem ono ila wameko ekorarira omubunge iga
so batena kirigento ngebate leadership no na ase system ende yonse yokora ne bate leadership ni leader nere ko decide abantu bacho kolega sinere kono no mubunge kerasoire office ngo kama pale ne kwerende a constituency development committee area fund use NCDF so this guy is responsible for the person he chooses to control that ntobwate muntu korokwe chairman nero tende
yakonyesha manero ya CDF nini kiregento
so that guy nero tende te bintu byonsi pipia byomubunge so the person reports direct to the member of parliament bono na kolete ira marube abantu aba ba plate gose 1000 abantu ba plate gose 10000 to some extent wasangi umuntu oyo takoleti auditing tarakolera auditing emakaratasi yaletwa abantu aba-applied umuntu nguru wale kitutumasaba nabonda aruko bora constituency ngenda kitutumasaba nti apply kwerende naende ngewo because of the reasons of yabantu bali ground bali kire no mochumbe so ntonakorotero mochumba magena to some extent nkole ntobwente korangana ki abantu abo mochumba achora buna baguchutenire NCDF committee mbantoki umuntu oyunga amasoma yenga yayigete nkiyamanyete so at the end of the day kwa magosangi igali no amakosa manga gokorekana wasangi abantu ba apply bali gose onye abantu ba be constituency ba apply te bali 5000 wasangi abantu ba extra kuruisi ko umuntu agwake kura ya Nairobi gaiga kiri ntu kya no kiri Nairobi gaiga lakini kurwale kitutumasaba bateba nchingi tutumasaba nkuru no gwake kura umuntu utararigereria ararengana ki umuntu yekura ya yenga yagete we mali uri register kura yako ni wapi na ulipiga kura wapi walo kwa wasangoira abantu chikwerende chipasel up to the wrong guys so that's why mistake ya wakoreka ni ground kwa mabuza kusangia abantu numro yabateba baletera umubunge pressure nkorigere linde ngopwatiria nde sana ekwerende ya Ndindi Nyoro is doing a great job even is coming up with new schools because of what is an economics, he understands the problems in the ground. Ekeroko ende ground kwarorira abantu ba plate kwerende e parcel imbalenga muntu yo sobonga ngai yakole kwerende ngai yakekura yosangi manto mbare bako kwa banyamwako muntu azite Nairobi amenyete Nairobi myaka yonse
Ere abana baye na bagosoma ikorubu Kitutu Masaba. Kura tai gwakoro.
Bia muno ase ngenchondo che chisiminchire chigendete ko swa ga chidaika tubwate ni akitubwate chidaika by the chidaika inyechuka ngukora tore. Oyori gwa kisimino ene kinakwiriri bagabonego kese muntu naru kunya gwa kisimi ge kora kana bwate ngana eko igendete ko musi proper. Nabo gwa kisimi kana kwire banori bagabonego gwetira se number yetu studio 0788 666663 kana neka to kwanira enjira chi basari chibwatu botutu kana karo chigendete kubwatu kwa ase chi constituency au akaroroche abantu bagotanga chi basari echo nigo chibwenerete kubwatu kwa senjira yobwaso kubaterenge banda bakonyo chibes chinge compared ne constituency chinde bakubori batebunga abaroki kwa gusabana nigo barabanga se constituency echi asebana batebiruna ukubori nigo gekogendete asikige kogera chi constituency chinde bakonyo chibes chinyinge na bande banyora chibes chinge karondo chenga simite ya soirwe kabanega meroberiki totebonega meroberiki bonega totebe chi constituency wenda kubika buruse buna ababunge watu watebirenga abantu bagwanete ku abantu bako misleado mobunge na abantu be committee beri ye chiseme ye kiganche kigia CDF tianda bate simireke elo ensoko yes wakire ngoyo to kwana nera
Ezekia Mumanyi
Ezekia kurwarari
ogwa kubutu twa Masaba na bana buya baukwana ati bono manyite constituency ya Kitutu Masaba nere NNP asi constituency chonsi ya Nyamira County wange eminati ya population igere igoro na ende usikulikele buna bono example turuze skuru yeto ya Nyambari
boys
toje skuru kwa nero kibiriwo nyakiminjanchiro abana bakora kero bakolire barabange konyanga boge tutu na turaba nene na population ire nene na banafunzi na bana bato kuivoravo no gosoma na bokulebo bono kwa ni kuli uri kyana ne mbaga ndiko na university abande bagende middle colleges basomegere bekonyi kuna bono for example kuna kwani umwana uyo akwani kwende buya oba etwe 5000 oba linga banafunzi 6992 chibes cha rotu chenge 33 million rotu shakuru chibes ase budget constituency ne what allocation ekitinkero kile kitike kugata allocation yaye kero rokeo kwa mangana infrastructure mangana chipara chibes inchibagire
yes
utitai muna ule school na je ku understand ibintu ebyo so tokuru chibes chirement for bursaries uchibeka samanga ne para tokuru chibes chirement for para uchirete ase bursaries kyagera konyanga kwale maili ensemende
ngebona
at the same time na iguro tebanga abantu bali batabwendiko ewa ngelinga umwaki ukura igare oyomo tachiri tayo na mutaka taye ka to gwake ukura ngelinga kiro muntu liyo ndika ne kuyugwa kyagera bono nande umuchumbe takonyago separating one tachiri tomwa kyara no mu byaro ubugetutu bwa Masaba nabwende konyo ubona akoba kiro muntu anyole equal
byamana
anango bono ne gwa complain naki alego complain atebenga nyara bakai kuchiri bubere njenga iweli bwaya motata will be wrong ga kitia tukonya tosire mu yabago kwana na turagendere go chimotu
byamano sana Ezekiel asanya reko baga gukwana baire go chitakorete chinsa cherre ngana yo morio ketotebe obututukano bechibasari nke mubunga bana takora
mubunga bange NCDF committee arutibesa kulingana ngaki abantu bakwenyara tabasa kurutibesa kuna nabantu bagwakachikura egwakachikura ne right yao akekura genda boka akerekura tayo mubunga bweko kwanda wacu wakerekura ngwakiroro mu MC ngwakirori president karoko ndege tu wakerekura akerekero montekura lakini abantu mbara bataikwenyare kenyoro togonte inangana kyo montache kalikwe gase serikali oyonde nasomete taraliku otebe unabanta abonsi pito bachi bese echimo that's the
oyo tari kwenyara nyore chinyinge
oyo tari kwenyara nyore chinyinge ulio kwenyara akali kwerenda akora maendero neraro ale
mbiamano ngana yayo mori na ndobo mwenge
ngoba bango sana bata inga amangana yonse ateba mbia mono ni nyama hete na ni nyarongete ngoteba nga kero umubunge akwana na chibese umuchando tubwate nero no mubugaka tigabe keri chiko singintu nero bwate chibese tigabe keri chiko nga anyara ko babali kwa mondo kulingana ko nyara ko elinda bana bonsi uru school nane kero bagoteba nga chibese chiko ke asome tuli chikeli mulioka dije atiko section 48 of the NGCDF Act 48 eli ko balao nga na bakomenta chibese enke kuruwe sebinde binde elinde chikonyo banafunzi. The greatest development you can give your constituents is education.
Biamono moligerere timbo tikende ndamente gwitiraga esenge nchondo che chisimi nigo chigendete goswekora kananga mwata chira abantu abange nande mwakwanire baro baba iroko boko mbaro batebire yayo mubunge bagusaba bunge gasi bakora nengiya toche tori gichinga kichinde tonyako batu gwikaransa erinde to kwanire emeroberiga ya masomo aso gwikaran by the amasomo na toche tori gerere no nabaiga barasi university mbagendete kurira bado help teri kubakonya ayo amona yanda mange togocha kubanga nande gikaro kende toche tumirane asomo robere gwetoro bini ensoko asabano kugwa niri ogende gutwara omo wasobuya nawe ogende gutwara burigererio buya iri etari aneli net nyambane nyoranga Ensoko TV oboroso no bwo mugusi. Asante sana.